Ang, 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 ang. Yeah, 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 yeah. On, 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 on. Or, 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 or. Let's add the single consonants with the double vowels and the tones. Ba, an, ki, sha, bang. This means to help in Green Hmong. And remember, the double A, it's only applied to Green Hmong words. Ma, an, ki, na, mang. This means to slow down. Ma, an, ki, du, mang. This means in a hurry. Ga, an, ki, gu, gang. Green Hmong word for frog. Ga, an, ki, Ntxhee, gang. This means throat. Ba, an, ki, mu, bang. This means a stick. Na, an, ki, ning, nang. This means rain. Ga, ai, ki, xia, gai. This means chicken. Da, ai, ki, nia, dai. This means a piece, such as the measure word for something flat, like a piece of paper. Y dai tờ. A piece of paper, y dai tờ, or a blanket. Y dai ba. And this is the White Hmong word. Lo ai ki du lai. This means to plow. So ai ki gu sai. This means to choose in both Green and White Hmong. Sha ai ki Ntxhee shai or sha ai ki Ntxhee shai. This means fast or mountain goat. And you might have heard these words before in the other lessons, but this is how everything connects together, and all my lessons build onto each other, so you will hear some repetitions sometimes. Ta ai ki mu tai. This means a plate or a bowl. So if it's a plate, tai plia. If it's a bowl, tai to. Ta ai ki ning tai. This is the Green Hmong word for a plate or a bowl. Tai tu, that means a bowl. Tai pla, that means a plate. Ba ao ki sha bao, this means to know in both Green and White. Ga ao ki nia gao or ga ao ki na gao. This means the number 10 in both Green and White Hmong. Da ao ki du dao. This means a hammer in both Green and White Hmong. Va ao ki gu vao. This means son-in-law in both Green and White. Da ao ki Ntxhee dao or da ao ki Ntxhee dao. This means the number 6 in both Green and White Hmong. La ao ki mu lao. This means old in White Hmong. La ao ki ning lao. This means old in Green Hmong. Da ki xia de. It means the color white or light skin in White Hmong. Ya ki nia yo or ya ki na yo. This means to scoop, or it also means grandpa. So it all depends on the context that you're using. Ha ki du ho. This means the last name her, one of the 18 clans. La ki gu lo. This means them in White Hmong. Cho ơ chỉ chmod lunchi yo or cho ơ chỉ chmodachi yo. This means to invite in both Green and White Hmong. To ơ chỉ mu tơ. This means to light a candle, or it also means firewoods. To ơ chỉ ning tơ. This means to break, or it's the Green Hmong word for firewood. Có anh chỉ sát tên, that means slow. Do anh chỉ nà rèn, that means to give up. Có anh chỉ đủ kinh, this means you're really good, such as performance in sports or education. Cho anh chỉ cú chén, this means fast. You run really fast. Có thai chén hình. Có anh chỉ chmod chi tên. Có anh chỉ chmod lunchi tên. This means to save, as in to save time or to save something for someone. No anh chỉ mu neng. This is the White Hmong word for horse. No anh chỉ neng neng. This is the Green Hmong word for horse, but it's the White Hmong word for people. Lo ia chỉ xia lia. This is the White Hmong word for monkey. No ia chỉ nia nia. This is the White Hmong word for mother. And keep in mind that the IA, double vowel IA, is only applied to White Hmong. Lo ia chỉ du lia. This means rice paddy. So ia chỉ cú xia. This means the color blue. Cho ia chỉ chmodachi kia. This means to put away. Có ia chỉ mu kia. This means gross. Lo ia chỉ ning lia. This is a tool that they use to cut rice. Do ong chỉ sha zhong. This means mountain in both Green and White Hmong. Fo ong chỉ na phong. This means to bless in both Green and White Hmong. Go ong chỉ du gong. This means grasshopper in both Green and White Hmong. Ma ong chỉ gu mong. This means fortune in Green Hmong. No ong chỉ chmodachi nong, or no ong chỉ chmodlanchi nong. This means moisture. Ma ong chỉ mu mong. This means a watch, such as the watch that you wear on your wrist. Ma ong chỉ ning mong. This means to go in Green Hmong. Ma o chỉ sha mo. That means to give in both Green and White Hmong. Ma o chỉ na mo, or ma o chỉ nia mo. This means sister, but only a brother can say my sister as gu tu mo. If you are a female, you cannot say my sister as gu tu mo. You have to say gu tu na lao or gu tu na lo. Na lao means sister, older sister. Na lo means younger sister. And in White Hmong, it's nia lao or nia lo. So you have to know how to use it. Cho wo yin du jua. This is the number 9. No wo ji gu no. That means right here. Go wo ji chmodachi guo, or go wo ji chmodlanchi guo. This means the liquid in the soup. Ma wo ji mu mo. This means soft, such as when you cook vegetables and the vegetable is soft, then you said, 叫 rau mo lai. Mo. This is the white Hmong word for soft. So in this situation, the S and the G got switched. So mo. This is the Green Hmong word for soft. Soft as in food. Mo. This is the white Hmong word for soft as in foods. Mo also means to sell in both Green and white Hmong. So this concludes Lesson 4. Have a nice day. Bye.